Imagine a world where charging your electric vehicle is as quick and easy as filling up your petrol tank. You pull into a charging station, plug in your car, and in the time it takes to grab a cup of coffee, you're back on the road with a full charge. This is the promise of the 5-minute EV charge, a future where range anxiety is a thing of the past, and electric vehicles are the undisputed rulers of the road. This future might seem like a distant dream, but it's closer than you think. Thanks to rapid advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure and innovative solutions like mobile charging vans and smart grids, the 5-minute EV charge is well within our reach. In this rapidly evolving landscape, it's essential to understand the current state of EV charging, the exciting developments on the horizon, and the challenges that lie ahead. Join me as we delve into the world of ultra-fast charging, explore the potential of solid-state batteries and wireless power transfer, and examine the global efforts driving us toward a future of ubiquitous and rapid EV charging. Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular, and with them comes the need for convenient and efficient charging infrastructure. Today, we have a variety of charging options, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. The most basic is Level 1 charging, which uses a standard household outlet. It's slow, adding just a few miles of range per hour, but it's widely accessible. Level 2 charging, on the other hand, uses a dedicated charging station and provides faster charging speeds. These chargers are commonly found in homes, workplaces, and public charging stations. For those in a hurry, DC fast charging is the way to go. These powerful chargers can deliver a significant amount of charge in a short period, often topping up your battery to 80% in under an hour. They are typically found along highways and in urban areas, making them ideal for long journeys and quick top-ups. While these charging options have been instrumental in the adoption of EVs, they fall short of the 5-minute charging dream. This is where the next generation of charging technology comes in. To achieve the 5-minute EV charge, we need to pump significantly more power into our vehicles. That's where ultra-fast chargers, capable of delivering 350 kilowatts or more, come into play. These chargers can add hundreds of miles of range in just a few minutes, making them a game-changer for long-distance travel. Imagine this: you're on a road trip, and you need to make a quick stop to recharge. You pull into a charging station, plug in your car, and in the time it takes to use the restroom and grab a snack, your car is ready to go for another 300 miles. However, these ultra-fast chargers require a robust electrical grid to handle the immense power demands. This means that upgrading our existing electrical infrastructure is crucial to unlocking the full potential of this technology. While faster chargers are essential for quick refueling, the battery itself plays a crucial role in determining how fast a vehicle can charge. Today's lithium-ion batteries, while remarkable, have limitations in terms of charging speed and energy density. This is where solid-state batteries come in. Solid-state batteries are a revolutionary technology that promises faster charging speeds, increased energy density, and improved safety compared to conventional lithium-ion batteries. They achieve this by replacing the flammable liquid electrolyte found in traditional batteries with a solid electrolyte, allowing for faster ion movement and, consequently, quicker charging. With solid-state batteries, the 5-minute charge becomes not just a possibility, but a reality. Imagine a world where you can fully charge your EV in the time it takes to listen to your favorite song. Section 5. Cutting the cord. The rise of wireless charging. Imagine a world where you no longer need to fumble with cords and connectors to charge your electric vehicle. You simply park your car over a charging pad, and voila, the charging process begins automatically. This is the promise of wireless charging, a technology that's poised to revolutionize the EV charging experience. Wireless charging uses electromagnetic induction to transfer energy from a charging pad embedded in the ground to a receiver coil on the underside of the vehicle. It's a convenient and seamless solution that eliminates the need for physical connections. While still in its early stages of development, wireless charging is rapidly gaining traction. Major automakers are already investing heavily in this technology, and we can expect to see wireless charging pads popping up in homes, workplaces, and public spaces in the near future. Section 6. Charging on the go, mobile solutions and smart systems. In a perfect world, charging stations would be as ubiquitous as petrol stations are today. But until that vision becomes a reality, innovative solutions like mobile EV charging vans are bridging the gap. These vans are essentially mobile charging stations that can come to your rescue when you're running low on battery and can't find a charging station nearby. Imagine you're at a music festival in a remote location and your EV battery is running low. You simply call a mobile charging van, and they dispatch a unit to your location to give your car the boost it needs to get you back on the road. Beyond mobile charging, smart charging technologies are also playing a crucial role in optimizing the charging process. Smart charging systems use algorithms and data analytics to determine the most efficient time to charge your vehicle, taking into account factors like electricity grid load, pricing, and your personal driving patterns. Section 7. A global push governments and companies investing in the future. The shift towards electric mobility is a global phenomenon, and governments and private companies worldwide are investing heavily in building the infrastructure needed to support this transition. From ambitious government subsidies and tax breaks to massive investments in charging networks and battery production facilities, the world is racing towards an electric future. In Europe, countries like Norway, the Netherlands, and Germany are leading the charge, with generous incentives for EV buyers and ambitious plans to install millions of charging points over the next decade. China, the world's largest EV market, is also making significant strides, with plans to build a nationwide charging network that can support its rapidly growing fleet of electric vehicles. In the United States, the Biden administration has set ambitious goals to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles and achieve net zero emissions by 2050. This includes significant investments in charging infrastructure, battery research and development, and incentives for EV buyers. Section 8. Overcoming challenges, gridlock, standards, and rural reach. While the future of EV charging is undoubtedly bright, several challenges need to be addressed to fully realize the potential of this technology. One of the biggest hurdles is the strain on our existing electrical grids. As more and more EVs hit the road, the demand for electricity will increase significantly. This will require massive upgrades to our electrical grids to handle the increased load, particularly during peak hours when demand is already high. Another challenge is the lack of universal charging standards. With different charging connectors and communication protocols used by various automakers, EV charging can be a confusing and frustrating experience for drivers. Establishing a common global standard for charging connectors and communication protocols is crucial to ensure interoperability and a seamless charging experience. Finally, ensuring equitable access to charging infrastructure in rural areas is crucial for the widespread adoption of EVs. While urban areas are seeing a rapid rollout of charging stations, rural communities often lack adequate charging infrastructure, making it challenging for residents to make the switch to electric vehicles. Section 9. The road ahead. A vision of ubiquitous and rapid EV charging by 2030. The year is 2030. Electric vehicles are now the norm, and the 5-minute charge has become a reality. Ultra-fast chargers line highways and major thoroughfares, making long-distance travel a breeze. Solid-state batteries power our vehicles, providing extended range and lightning-fast charging speeds. Wireless charging pads are ubiquitous in homes, workplaces, and public spaces, making charging as simple as parking your car. Mobile charging vans are on standby to provide on-demand charging solutions in remote locations, and smart charging systems optimize the charging process, ensuring minimal strain on the electrical grid. Governments have implemented policies to incentivize the adoption of EVs and support the development of a robust charging infrastructure. This is the future we are striving to create, a future where range anxiety is a distant memory and electric vehicles are the undisputed rulers of the road. By embracing innovation, investing in infrastructure, and working together to overcome the challenges ahead, we can make this vision a reality and usher in a new era of sustainable and efficient transportation.